Life's good. I am the Maleficent leader. I am the mayor of this town. I am the mayor. Everything will be jolly good. Jolly good. Okay. Wait. What just happened? Brown left. It's purple. Yes. Vote for your mayor. For victory. Vote for the mayor for victory. Vote for the mayor for victory. For victory. Oh my gosh, look at your top hat. For victory of my death. I would like to thank my followers to vote for me. Thank you guys for voting for the winner of your mayor. Thank you very much. Oh, I can't do that. Chicken. Oh my gosh. Alright, I need to change my hat. I want... There we go. Royalty. I am royalty. I am the royalty. There's a white one! Oh, even better. Yes. Why did you... You're purple. Why are you looking at me weird? I'm not. I wanted to kill. Too bad. You had no choice. They all voted for me. You had nothing to do. You couldn't do it. I was already dead before you could kill me. Someone beat you to the punch. Oh, finally. What? Okay. What? Why? Purple. I already know what Peak is gonna vote for. I already know how this result happens to whoever. Well, you just sign your death or you sign my death. One of the two. Who's going? Or did we all skip? Because I didn't skip. I picked your daddy. Who's not voting? Oh, Jojo. Mr. Blue. Hi guys. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, moving on. Oh wait, what am I doing? Right here. People can see my body. Tell me why I never saw you. I want it that way. Who killed Blue? Why? Electrical. And electrical. I'm still singing. Wanted that way. We're going for pink! Pink voted for you, see? Alright, next one is green. I kind of figured. Alright, button. I'm gonna press the button 7. Okay. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna live to tell the tale. I'm pressing the button. Oh! That scared me. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Sorry, I meant one more person. Oh my gosh, I need a new song in my head. Or get this song out of my head. Alright, I missed one over there. That's okay. You know, I haven't been the murderer since the beginning. Oh, I don't have one. I don't have one. Huh. I got 2 electrical. Are you gonna kill me? You're gonna kill me? Or are you gonna just wait without me knowing? Oh, shoot, I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Oh my gosh. I love that. I got that song in your head. I pick purple. Oh my goodness, she's sus. No, I'm not. What a pink pick. You know what? I'm just gonna skip. I'm just gonna skip. It's just red. Oh, he voted for pink. Black voted for pink. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. I have to lower the timer, don't I? Just in case someone does this again, don't I? Why red? I don't know. You guys kill me. You guys kill me! What? I will remember this! Ugh. I wish I could haunt. Oh my gosh, I will remember this! Ugh. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what to do. What am I supposed to do? Ugh. Oh, now Red's moving. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. You could all just... Wires. Ugh, I can't believe this. I can't believe this nonsense. Oh my gosh. There's Red. Moving. Doing stuff. I bet it's you. I bet it's you, isn't it? Oh, it's black. Alrighty. I'm watching. I'm watching. I'm watching. You know what? Mr. Black. Oh my gosh. You just killed yourself, didn't you? Oh my gosh, there's only 4. Oh, and I forgot to lower the time. Oh no! Is it gonna be forever? Watch it. Stop it. You know what? That's tempted. You know what? I just picked. Oh gosh. If he says skip, you're the murderer, aren't you? Oh my gosh! I'm running. Nope, nope, you ain't killing me again. No, you're not killing me again. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Everyone for themselves. No, you had to kill someone. You had to kill someone. No, nope, 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 nope. Oh gosh. What? What do you mean? Don't you dare! Oh my gosh, he voted. You son of a... Oh my gosh. I'm still running. I'm running. I'm running. I don't trust none of you guys. Like, what's a safe zone? There's no safe zone. There's no safe zone. Just keep running. Just keep running. Oh my gosh. Yellow. Just do it. It's yellow. I wanted that. Oh no. Yellow vote. That's what it was brown. You'd think he would vote one of us so he could win. You would think he would vote one of us so he could win. No, he wanted to kill someone. Oh my gosh, you would think he would vote for you or me just to win. He's like, nope, I fed up with both of you. I'm out, Taiwan. Oh, look at these seconds. Come here, you. Come here, you. Come here, you. Ah. What's Orange doing? No. You guys voted for me? You know, I had to, first of all. You killed me every single time. You made sure I was the only one you killed. And then when I thought it was green, you scared me by killing me. What else am I supposed to do if I finally could kill you? Well, how do you get way over here so fast? Okay, let's see. I got one over there. Alright, next one. Alright, I did that. There's no way. Alright, where else? Oh, right here. Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Oh, is Red clear? Yes, he is. Okay. I'm done. Oh, no, I'm not. I got one left. Thought I was done. Black's just following red. Now what do I do? Okay, Black's still following red. There's someone in the cafe. I'll be with the person in the cafe. Alright, Blue. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I deserve it. Oh my gosh. They died cat. Oh my gosh. I deserved it. Oh my gosh. It's just purple. PK star. Why would you say that? Okay, let me see. Man, I haven't got nothing from the sides in a long time. Got that. is on his own. Oh, I got Metzger. What? See, this is why I kill him. White left. Red. Oh no. Oh no. Near lower engine. How? Oh gosh. Are you joking me? Are you guys joking me? I'm in cafe. Oh my gosh. Are you guys joking me? It's blue. I follow him. Oh my. Please tell me you guys are JKing me, because... oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is this? Every single time I feel like he gets away with my murder! My murder! Ah! And I have been scared. I didn't even finish my med scan. Blue. Wait, the key left. Blue's gone. Blue's gone. What's your options, people? You got orange, red, black, pink. I PK star. You don't have to give me bits, but thank you. First orange. Oh my gosh. Orange, vote! Vote, hide. Orange vented. Yes, orange, vote. Vote already. Yo, blue, yo. Blue's gone. Blue's gone. Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh, I feel like you guys are doing this on purpose! I'm scanning again. You were. Oh my gosh. I can't even make a mad face. I died. Can I? What do you guys vote for? Oh, there we go. You guys are mean.